Hello guys, today I'm gonna be talking about how you can create a project in Scratch. You need an account to create projects in Scratch. In my first video I showed you how to create one. So let's get started. First click the create button right there, then wait a few moments, then tada, you have the project page. And if you want to change your character, this is my character. If you want to change my character, just click the cat icon right there, then choose any one or anything you like. In my case I'll choose a balloon. And if you want to delete your character, just click on the character, then click on the dustbin icon, then click yes. Okay, you can choose many sprites, many characters, not just one. And I'm gonna talk about the motion sector today. There are many sectors, motion sector today. Then drag the first block like this in the white part. This block makes your character go 10 steps forward or backward. Like if you click there, and if you change the value to minus, it will go backwards. You can change the value by just clicking in the white circle, picking any number you like. In case I'll choose 20. If I minus 20, when I click minus 20, the balloon goes backwards, and plus 20, it goes forwards. And the second block, it makes your character turn 15 degrees clockwise, like so. You can change the value. In my case I'll do like 40 degrees. Okay, see, the balloon is turning very sharply now. This block is the same, the third block is the same as the second block, but the character will turn counterclockwise, like so. The balloon turned clockwise instead of counterclockwise. Then this block makes your character go to any position on this white square. If I click it right here, see, it goes to a random position. These blocks are a bit complicated, so I'll explain these in another video, so stay tuned. Okay, now this blocks makes your character look in a certain direction. When I put 90 degrees in it, the balloon will look 90 degrees forward. When I put 180 degrees or 165 degrees, it will go look at 165, like so. Okay, now this block makes your character look at your mouse pointer or so. See, the balloon is looking at my mouse. Then if you want to change your background, just click this gallery icon beside the cat icon, like so, and you can choose any background. In my case I'll choose this blue sky one. Yes, like you can see. Then these blocks also are very complicated, so I'll teach you later. And that's it for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. So like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.